While in Jamaica, I was able to check out Breathless Montego Bay, and one drawback people have about this property is it's not located directly on the beach, and I'm so glad I was able to see this in person because it's not near as unfavorable as people think. You exit the property using the skywalk, and then you just have a short walk to the beach. Breathless is known for their fun and upbeat vibe, so of course when I arrived, I was greeted by "Welcome to the party" as I was offered a drink. The resort is gorgeous with a super chic and modern look. You have 7 restaurants on site, but another pro about staying here is you have full access to all the facilities at Secret St. James and Wild Orchid, which doubles your dining options. I was touring this property super early in the morning, so if you guys are thinking, where's the party? Don't worry, it'll be there. You have the DJ booth at the pool, and by 11 o'clock, the music will get started, foam party to follow. Now check out this amazing room. This is an Xhale Club Master Suite Swimout, and I got a very Vegas high roller VIP vibe from this. It is unbelievable. So with the different room categories here, you will see the Xhale Club, and that just takes your experience to a whole nother level of luxury and personalized service. You have so many extra amenities, one being access to this private rooftop lounge. Wow, right? Are you thinking what I'm thinking, that it's totally worth the upgrade?